Hey everybody, Ben with Diesel Power Products here, and today we are talking about the revered Banks differential cover. Now this particular one, I believe it's for a GM truck, but they make differential covers for pretty much all the 3-quarter and 1 tons out there, so make sure that you are selecting the right year and make and model when ordering yours. However, that does not differentiate the benefits that you get from this differential cover. Now we all know the older differential covers back in the day, they just make a deeper pan, puts more oil in there, everybody's happy about it. Well, Gale said no. They're going to go to the drawing board and they're going to make something that actually not only does it cool better than the factory one did, but also prevents aeration and doesn't create any sort of extra drag, because drag is loss of power, and last thing we want to do is rob you of any power. So they went to the drawing board and came up with this. This is the Banks differential cover that basically people have been waiting decades for. Not only is it going to keep your differential cooler, but it's also going to keep it better lubricated and prevent that aeration, which actually tends to make the level of fluid grow in the differential because there's lots of bubbles in there. And as that fluid grows in the differential, it creates more drag on the ring gear, and more drag on your drivetrain means less fuel mileage, less power. So they thought of everything and made it a very, very nice, comprehensive differential cover here. They do offer it in 3 different versions. You can get this black version here. They do have a milled version, which is basically this same thing, but the ends here are milled off, so it has like kind of a nice two-tone on there. Or you can have it raw, so everything looks just like this logo there. As far as what comes in the kit, this is pretty much what you're looking at here. They include very nice stainless steel hardware, Loctite, and as far as sealing it goes, you don't have to worry about throwing RTV on there or keep using the same paper gasket or have extra gaskets on hand. They have this impregnated viton O-ring that fits in there, so if for some reason you do need to pull that diff cover off, you can reuse it, clean it, put it back on. It also includes a magnetic drain plug and a sight window, and just in case you want it, a temperature port. If you want to monitor the temperature in your rear differential, they've got you covered. So if you're looking for something that's going to be a very nice addition to the truck, you're using it hard, you're towing, you want to make sure that you're covered, the Banks cover is going to be a great option for you. And I know what you're now thinking. He didn't address these giant fins on the bottom. What about my ground clearance? I'm going to hit things. Well, 2 things to recognize here. 1, these corners here, they don't go past the bottom of the differential. Okay, so if you're not hitting your differential, you're not hitting this. The second thing is, if you do manage to hit one of these things, they are designed to break away. They're not going to rip the cover off overnight. They're designed to break away so that you can still continue on driving, still continue on down the road. So if you're looking to get a hold of one of these or have any questions, make sure and give us a shout. We've got sales technicians on the phone 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Pacific time, Monday through Friday. You can also do the chat feature on the website, email, social media, whatever works best for you. We are here to give you the best tech support in the industry. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.